Day off. Day off. A day off is a designated day when a person is not required to work. It's a break from regular work responsibilities, allowing individuals time to rest, relax, or engage in personal activities, or taken as needed for reasons such as personal time, vacation, and make a video log like this. Sabi nga ng idolo ko, no work, no place to go. So we decided to travel where we live. Palawan, La Union, or LU is the place to be. We don't wait for memories to come. We make them. We bought a car para gawing rent-a-car. Tumaan sa Manawag para magpabindisyon. Umutang para mag-rides. Yun, wasak na wasak. Nag-travel, kumain, nag-swimming. Kala ko Great Wall of China, Great Road of Santol pala. San Juan, bahay na ba to? Let's go! Enjoy and ready to go. Kahit saan man kami mapadpad, isa lang ang mahalaga. Family that travels together stays forever. This is Hino, Gray, Caleb, Gret Page, at ako si Brother Lord Wally, ang feeling vlogger niyo po. And we are Mendoza Fam. Come and join and vlog with us.
Happy birthday to you. Ano wish?
Sana healthy tayong pamilya.
Ano gusto mo? Swimming?
Yun. Okay guys, nandito na tayo. Yun na guys. Tara. Dito na ako. Dito ka? Tara. Sapang tayo. Ay, aso. Sapang tayo. Coffee. Milo. Milo. Ito si Milo. Ganda. Yes.
Paano ko mailalagay? Bababa pa ako.
Dito lang tayo guys. Ilog ba to? Dagat naman to eh.
Dami rito. Naiiwan si Mago. Natakot.
Take my mind and run with you. You shine so bright
Shoot.
in your blue suede shoes.
Huwag ka tumalon. Gusto mo makita.
I don't got no real estate and nobody knows my
Nagalaw tayo.
I could find a place and see it all a different way. Slow down, you got what you need.
Baka maulog pa ako eh.
Summer days, summer nights,
babaan ko pa.
Nobody can see right now. Summer days, summer nights.
Ganda.
Close your eyes. It's okay. Waste your time.
Bakit ako si Coffee?
Sarado? Si.
Angas guys!
Mahulog ka din nung nong. Mahulog ka din.
Hey, Coffee! Coffee! Kaya natin to.
It's okay. Waste your time.
Tayo.
Hello. Hira mo ulit.
Ano guys? Yan si Coffee! Yan si Coffee! Yan ka lang. Masaya ka? Sobra? Ayaw ko na! Coffee! Ito tayo guys. Nangalisin lang natin to. Ha?
Ano to? Ba't yung sinama yung camera?
Coffee! Ito na.
Asan na? Andun! Andun sa dulo.
Ay! Nasira! Pang-elibot! Wow! Doon tayo?
Wag! Malalim! Dito lang tayo! Ayan.
Malalim dun, green. Wait lang.
Malalim dyan. Yay!
Siya, always siya.
Is good and God is great. Let us thank Him for the food we eat. Amen. Ay,
Pwede ako pag lumukha.
Ito yung masarap.
Ano ko oh?
Saan ba yun? Port opening.
Wanna get up, no nothing but them possibilities. Feel the wind blow through my hair, feel the ground and on my feet. Wanna go, I can tell they all in love with me. Got that style to make them stare, got the Leo energy. See jaws dropping and heads popping, they better. We bottle popping and living it up together. Everybody tell me that they want this life forever. Put your hands up if you feel like treasure.
Straight ka lang, Grits, ha?